Dear students, you all are welcome to today's session. Today, at first, we will try to discuss on interior point and exterior point in brief. Suppose we have a set S with region of an interval AB. Now, if we draw a real line R, then this interval is located in such a way on the real line AB. Here, the point in point A and B are not included in this set. So we know that the interior of S is an open interval which is completely this interval A. And as complement is here R minus AB. Uh, that is complement of S equal to set which is constructed by subtracting this interval from the set of real number R. Again, if we take another set A which is a closed interval A. So if we would like to find out the interior of S and exterior of S, then we see what will be happened. Here, interior of A equal to an open set which is A to B. We know that interior of a set is always an open set. And here, complement of A equal R minus A. That is R minus a closed interval A, which is minus infinity to A union B to infinity. And we know that if a set is closed, then the exterior of this set, that is the exterior of A, is completely its complement. If a set is closed, then the exterior of this set is completely a complement. That is, the exterior of A is minus infinity to A union B to infinity. So, for both the cases of an interval and closed interval, we have interior of a set equal to an open set A, and exterior of a set S equal to also an open interval which is minus infinity to A union B to infinity. That is for both the cases, interior of a set and exterior of a set both are same, and these are open interval. Now, if we subtract interior and exterior from set of real numbers, then we have got, if we subtract this interior of a set S union exterior of a set A, then we have got uh, R minus a B open interval union minus infinity to A open interval union B to infinity open interval. That is, we have got only two elements which are A and B. Here, the number of elements can be increased or can be decreased with the with respect to the discussable set S. So, dear students, memorize a question. In the previous video, we had a question with that which are these points? Actually, this point indicates what type of points. So today, we'll try to discuss these points. Actually, these points are called frontier point of a set. And of the frontier point of a set, which are belong to the respective set, then these points will be called boundary point. For open interval, these are frontier point, and for closed interval, these are also frontier point. But this point does not belong to this set, then this point cannot be called boundary point. Since these points are belonging to this set A, then this point will be called boundary point of this set. Here, yes. So now we are going to discuss frontier point and boundary point. The definition of frontier point: let S be a subset of real number. Then a point x naught, which is also real number, is said to be frontier point of S if it is neither an interior point nor an exterior point of S. So frontier points are neither interior point nor exterior point of a set. That is, we can say that if x0 will be a frontier point of set, then this neighborhood x0 minus epsilon to x0 plus epsilon does not belong to the set S. Also, if we intersect this interval with S, which result is non-empty. It is applicable for not to be an interior point, and it is applicable for not to be an exterior point. And the set of all frontier points is called frontier of the set A. Frontier of the set S, and it is denoted by frontier of S, and this will be made by subtract interior point and exterior point from the set of real number, and frontier of S will be constructed by R minus interior of S and also exterior of S. And these two will form a set of frontier points. And the definition of boundary point is also same as the definition of frontier point. Here, one thing is different from frontier point. If a point wants to be a frontier point of A, then it belongs to set of real number R. But if it wants to be a boundary point of a set, it must belong to the set S. This is the only difference between boundary point and frontier point. That is, we can say that x0 is boundary point if it is a frontier point and it belongs to the respective set S. So this is the only difference. Boundary point of course belongs to the set, but the frontier point need not to be belong to the set. Here the set of all boundary points is called the boundary of the set S, and it is denoted by boundary of S or delta S. This is by this notation. Also, a boundary pointer and the boundary of S, that is boundary of S equal to we have to subtract the interior point and the exterior point from the set of real number minus interior of S union exterior of S, but x naught must belong to the set S. Same operation, there is a difference in respect to point. Let's take an example on frontier point and boundary point. Example on these 2 points. Example 1. Let A is an open interval or closed interval 2 to 5. Now, we know that the interior point of this set is an open set which is 2 to 5. That interior of A equal to 2 to 5 open interval. And since a complement equal to R minus A, that is minus infinity to 2 union 5 to infinity. Since this set is closed, then we know that this complement with exterior point of the set. That is exterior of A is minus infinity to A union 5 to infinity. Therefore, by these tools, we have got frontier point of A, the set of all frontier point equal to R minus interior of S union exterior of S. So we have got the result is only 2 points which are 3 and 5. This is the frontier of A. Now, since these 2 elements belong to this closed set, then we will also call them boundary point of this set. So here, a similar example, let A equal to 2 to 5 closed interval, then frontier of A equal to 2 to 5. Since 2 and 5 belongs to the set A, so boundary of A or delta A equal to 2 to 5. This set is 2 to 5. So for this closed interval, boundary point and frontier point are same. But if we take an open interval as an example, let A equal to open interval 2 to 5. Then we see what happens there. Here, a complement equal minus infinity to 2, 2 is closed here, union 5 is closed here, 5 to infinity. So, interior of A equal to 2 to 5 is open interval. And interior of a complement, we know that interior of any set will be an open interval. So interior of A complement equal to just 2 will be erased from here. Also 5 will be erased from here. So this is exterior of A, which is exterior of A. Exterior of A. Therefore, frontier of A equal to set of real number minus interior of A equal exterior of A. Exterior of A. Here we have, if we subtract this set and this set from the set of real number, we have got 2 point which are 2 and 5. Similar to this example. But here 2 and 5 are not belonging to this set, then we cannot say that this is the boundary point. So for boundary point, this example will be discussed here. A equal to 2 to 5 open interval. So here frontier of A equal to 2 to 5 is 2 elements. But 2 and 5 does not belong to A. So boundary of A or delta A here is a empty set. This is the difference between frontier point and boundary point. The set of frontier point is here 2 and 5 2 element, but the boundary point is a null set or an empty set. Now we are going to take another example on frontier point and boundary point. Let this is example 3. A data set which contains these 3 elements, and it is a finite set. Also, it is a closed set. So here, interior of A is an empty set. We know that closed set has no interior point. A complement is there R minus A, that is R minus these 3 points. If it is a closed set, then we know that this set will be described as exterior of A, which is exterior of A. Exterior of A. If it is closed, then exterior of it directly a complement. So frontier of A will be R minus interior of A union exterior of A. So here we see that interior of A is a null set. Union exterior of A is a complement. So if we union of these two sets, if we do union of these two sets, we have got a complement. So R minus a complement, we know that it is A. That is there are 3 point 1, 2, 3. This is the frontier point of this sets. The frontier point of this sets are 1, 2, and 3. So the frontier of A is 1, 2, 3. Then these 3 elements belongs to this set, which all are belong to A. So boundary of A or delta A is completely 1 to 3. So here frontier point and boundary points are same. The set of all frontier point and set of all boundary point are also same. Now we are going to discuss them on the set of rational number Q and the set of irrational number Q complement. Set of rational number Q and the irrational number Q complement. For this to set, we try to discuss frontier point and boundary point. Suppose it is a set of real number R and it contains a set of irrational number Q. Then the outside point of this circle will be Q complement, set of irrational number. Now, if we observe the interior point of Q, then we see that if x0 belongs to Q, then x0 minus epsilon to x0 plus epsilon does not belong to Q. As because this interval contains infinite number of irrational numbers. It does not contain in completely Q. So, neither of the point of Q can be called the interior point of Q. Neither of the point of Q, none of this point of Q can be called interior point of Q. If we take a point from the set of its complement, that is from QC, say it is Y0. So, if Y0 is an interior point of QC, then this point will be called exterior point of Q. Here is also similar thing. If Y0 belongs to Q complement. So Y0 minus epsilon to Y0 plus epsilon does not contain in completely QC. So Y0 cannot be called the interior point of Q complement. That is why it cannot be called the exterior point of Q. So there is no real number which can be treated interior point of Q and exterior point of Q. That is, x0 does not belong to interior of Q. Also, y0 does not belong to exterior of Q. Exterior of Q. Y0 does not belong to exterior of Q. As well as x0 does not belong to exterior of Q complement. And y0 does not belong to interior of Q complement. So we can say that there is no real number which can be treated as exterior point of Q, exterior point of interior point of Q and exterior point of Q. As well as there is also no real number which is interior point of Q complement and exterior point of Q complement. So we can say that all these points are frontier points. That is why frontier of Q equal to all real number. Among these real numbers, only the element of Q belongs to this set Q. So the boundary of Q, therefore, boundary of Q equal to only the set of rational number. As well as frontier of Q complement is also set of all real number. And boundary of Q complement of this among this frontier point, only irrational number are belong to the respective set. So frontier of Q complement is R, but the boundary of Q complement is Q complement. That is a set of irrational number. So for the set of rational and irrational number, the frontier point and boundary point are such like. Dear students, this was my today's discussion of frontier point and boundary points. And these points in some cases will be same and some cases will be different. Thank you very much.